Guys, it's Christmas morning, it's Christmas day. By the way, I'm using Namibia from Juven's Place. I really hope you guys enjoying your Christmas. I hope it goes well for you. I hope you're doing what you want to do, whether it's being at home by yourself drinking wine. Oh, I'm using 205 in the foundation. Also Juven's Place. You guys, I'm here with my family. We're gonna be hanging out, you know what I'm saying, chilling, whatever, dominoes, food, everything. Cooked my very first Christmas ham. I'll let you guys know how it goes on Instagram. But I'm so happy today is Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas. Guys, day 25. Day 25 of complete and utter slayaginess. Complete and utter slayage, and I am just all here for it, honey. I am so happy you guys have been enjoying these. Thank you for those of you who recognize the effort that I have been putting in these videos. Oh gosh, I forgot to tell you what foundation is to highlight, but this one is their concealer in number 11. You guys, it has been a journey. I'm not gonna lie, it has been a really big journey creating the videos. Some days, like, no, I have to, of course, I pre-record, but I also have to, like, it's just setting everything up. It's not as easy as I think. People think it's harder than it looks, and that's mainly because of, like, who I am as a person. Once I set my mind to something, I just get it done, and then that's just it. Isn't it? Like, no, I'd rather be lying down, probably taking a nap or something, but I am doing this voiceover for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys doing this with me, and I don't know if I'll be going live today, like doing a premiere where we can actually talk. Hopefully I have time to do that with you guys, so we can talk while this video so you'll be the first ones watching this video. What else do I have to tell you guys? Classes in Florida, I leave next week, you guys, and as my touchdown is a class. So so if you want to be a part of that experience, go ahead and shoot me an email, classes@lyricrochester.com, or DM us on our Instagram at LyricRochester International, or DM me on Instagram, LyricRochester. Now what I'm doing with the sponge, I'm actually going all over my face just to kind of set everything. So this Jordana Forever Flawless powder is the darkest color they have, which sucks. It's called Warm Cocoa. It's the darkest one they have, and it's still pretty light. And I use my Sasha Buttercup to set. Now I'm actually baking. I have not been baking for a while. I have not been baking for a while. I have not been baking. Sorry guys, you know me saying something. I have not been baking for a while, and I started baking, and I was like, oh, this is what I've been missing. So I'm back doing baking, nevertheless. Okay, so I'm going to need your help for next year, which is like next week, in a couple of days from now. Oh, big up my eyebrow palette, the cosmetics. I won't be uploading immediately for next year because I won't be here. I'll be in Florida, and I really want to give you guys some bomb content for 2020. So I really need your help. I need video suggestions, but video suggestions that you have never seen. Now the Bible does say there's nothing new under the sun, so if you haven't seen it, chances are it has not been done enough. You know what I mean? So I'd really love some video suggestions, and I promise you guys, I'll be taking all these video suggestions into consideration, meaning they will more than likely be done. Okay. What else? This is basically it, you guys. We have 3 more minutes left in this video. I'm just going to talk to this year has been I don't say unexciting, but it's just like 2019 was a year of revelation for me. Finding out new things about myself, friendships that have friendships that I've started, friendships that I've rekindled as well. By the way, pause. I'm forgetting that 2019 brought me Yardie Cosmetics, and that's something to gloat about. Look at the pigmentation of these eyeshadows, you guys. Look. There is absolutely pigmented. Their eyebrow palette is definitely, of course, it's an all-around palette, but right now during this Christmas season, Bobo, you cannot lose with this Yardie palette, honey. You can't. You simply cannot. Is it a black there? No, girl. No Santana. Santana is the owner BT Dubs. No Santana. The black is dark bottom. Right. So 2019 has brought me a lot of good things, and I'm completely grateful for it. I've already started planning for 2020, and I think that's going to be my first video of 2020, just letting you guys know things that I'll be doing personally, because I've done some stuff. You know, one of them is growing my brows, and I have other personal stuff that I want to see too. And somebody had said if I thought about microblading. No, I can do microblading because I actually like growing my brows. So now I can actually do microblading. So I mean, I am considering it, and you know, we'll see how that goes. For my vlog channel for 2020, we'll be getting some old videos. I really want to upload my birthday vlog. I made it at for this year. Who knows, or 2020? Who knows? I don't know. But I'll definitely be doing that. You want something? 3. I soon finish, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. See, when my device was German is like, no. Like me, they are good enough, and German no one said nothing to me. And as soon as we start the voice over, I see what I've come. So baby, what the thing? Anyway, so this video is almost over. It's under a minute that's left. So I really want to thank you guys, and just wish you a very Merry Christmas. Jermaine, come and tell them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Aww. Yeah, so I mean, I know today is an amazing day, you guys. The truth is, the day is what you make it. And the truth is as well, if you're not in the mood, honey, grab a glass of wine, sit down, and as Tony Baker says, reflect. Think about the year. I mean, some of us have lost people. I know, my condolences to you if you have. Some of us have had it very rough. But the point is, guys, you're here and you've made it, and you are making it. You know what I mean? So yeah, thank you so much for your support. I completely appreciate every single one of you watching, and thank you for keeping me, you know, a part of your regular programming. So yeah, I guess I'll do all my updates on my lyric uncut video for 2020, and we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, this is the lip gloss that I've been wearing is called Like, and it's from Kylie Cosmetics, and I am in love. Okay guys, bye. Bye.